Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video, I'll explain how to delete Twitter account. Let's start the process. Open Twitter app. After it open, simply tap on your profile icon, which is at the left top. Tap on the last option and tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the first option, Your Account, and tap on the last option, Deactivate Account. Remember, one thing, you can't delete your Twitter. So it's the procedure of deleting your account means if you will deactivate your Twitter account, and if you will not log in within these 30 days, then your Twitter account will be deleted permanently from Twitter. So let's continue our process. Tap on the option, Deactivate. Write the password. If your Twitter account is connected with your Facebook or with your Google account, then write the same password, means the same password of Facebook or Google. It will not affect your Google or Facebook account. Now write like I am writing. After writing the password, tap on the option, Deactivate, and tap on the option, Yes, Deactivate. When you will tap on the option, Yes, Deactivate, then your Twitter account will be deactivated for next 30 days. And after the 30 days, your Twitter account will be deleted permanently. So by this way, you can delete your Twitter account. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.